Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what is considered the best quick, dry, lightweight work casual pant for women, the Baleaf women's hiking pants. These pants are designed with the active woman in mind, perfect for hiking, camping, or just everyday wear when you need comfort, durability, and functionality. Right from the start, these pants impress with their lightweight and breathable fabric blend of 90% polyester and 10% spandex. This combination ensures not only durability but also enough stretch for movement, making them comfortable for all-day wear. They are water-resistant, which means they'll repel light rain and splashes, keeping you dry without the bulk of traditional rain gear. And if you happen to get wet, the quick dry fabric means they'll be ready to wear again in no time. The pants also come with built-in UPF 50+ sun protection, a crucial feature for anyone spending time outdoors under the sun. This helps protect your skin from harmful UV rays, making these pants a great choice for sunny hikes or outdoor work. One of the standout features of the Baleaf hiking pants is the thoughtful design focused on convenience. They have 4 zip closure security pockets, which are perfect for storing essentials like keys, phone, or wallet safely while on the move. The elastic waistband comes with a drawstring for an adjustable, snug fit, and the articulated knees add to the comfort by allowing greater flexibility and freedom of movement. Another smart detail is the adjustable cord locks around the cuffs. This lets you customize the leg opening to keep bugs out or to tuck the pants into boots or shoes, depending on your activity. Whether you're trekking through dense woods or just running errands, this adaptability is a huge plus. The pants are available in 3 inseam lengths: petite at 27 inches, regular at 29 inches, and tall at 31 inches, making it easier for women of different heights to find their perfect fit. Plus, they're machine washable, which adds to their practicality for everyday use. Overall, the Baleaf women's hiking pants combine functionality with comfort and style. Whether you need reliable, quick-drying pants for outdoor adventures or lightweight casual pants for work or travel, these deliver with great features at an affordable price point. If you're looking for versatile pants that protect against the sun, resist water, dry quickly, and offer secure storage, the Baleaf women's hiking pants are definitely worth checking out. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest reviews and product insights.